This is how I make my Mexican red rice. And if you want to know how to make this Mexican red rice, then you're in the correct zone. I will be showing you my recipe. Welcome back, beautiful people. This is Dragonite here. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you like the recipes that I provide, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification link. I will be making red rice today, okay? And if you want to know how to make red rice today, then you're in the correct zone. You will need 2.5 tomatoes, 1 cup of rice. You will use 1 stick of butter. You will use half an onion, and you will use 3 garlic cloves. You will use 6 ounces of cooking oil. The first thing we will be doing is to cook our rice. Okay, you will add a slice of onion, 1 garlic clove on a very hot pan that already has very hot oil. Then you will slowly fry the slice of onion and the garlic clove. It's preferably that you don't burn your slice of onion or garlic clove because it will affect the way your oil tastes. My recommendation would be to not skip this step. If you skip this step, then it's highly likely that your rice will not taste as deliciously as it would if you would have done this step. Next, once they are golden brown, you can just throw the onion and garlic clove in the trash, and we will proceed with cooking the rice. I personally like to cook the rice at medium heat. This will help me avoid burning the rice. We will be adding 1/4 of an onion inside the blender, okay? And we will add like 3 garlic cloves inside our blender. Garlic cloves. Okay. So you will add 3 garlic cloves, 1/4 of onion, and then you will be adding 2.5 tomatoes, red tomatoes. You will add the tomato sauce once the rice is golden brown. We're going to check to see how my rice turned out. Okay, this is how my rice turned out. So this is how my rice turned out. Okay, I'm going to taste it. Has a lot of flavor. Okay, I use all natural ingredients. I did not use any artificial ingredients for this dish, and it comes out very, very flavorful. It's really good. Now, I want to advise you that this is just a side dish, even though it's really delicious and I can eat it all by myself, but let alone by itself. But it's a side dish, so I am going to be making tacos de carne asada, and I will be using the rice as a side dish. Now, if you want to know how to make tacos de carne asada, I will post the link down below under the comment section, and you can see how I made the carne asada tacos. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Okay, so this is how my rice turned out. I hope you guys liked how I made the rice, and I hope you guys learned from making this rice. If you guys like the recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell.